Hello class ninth. Today I am going to explain you the structure of bacterial cell. As you know, bacterial cell is a unicellular organism. Each individual bacterium is rather a simple cell. Okay. Now it contains the living substance, that is protoplasm, and protoplasm is bound within a cell membrane. Okay. Cytoplasm and bacterial chromosome forms a protoplasm. Okay. Protoplasm lying within the cell membrane, and cytoplasm and this bacterial chromosomes surrounded by the non-living stiff cell wall. The cell wall is non-living. Okay. And cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Okay. प्रोटीन और ग्लूकोज का बना होता है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज पेप्टिडोग्लाइकिन एंड नॉट ऑफ सेलुलोज एज इन प्लांट सेल. ओके, यहाँ का सेल वॉल जो है इट इज नॉट मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ पेप्टिडोग्लाइकिन. लेकिन प्लांट सेल वॉल इज मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज. इज अ बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बैक्टीरियल सेल एंड द प्लांट सेल. Both are having the cell wall, but here cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, but plant cell is made up of cellulose, as you know. Okay. Now a thin cell membrane lies immediately beneath the cell wall and surrounded by the cytoplasm. Okay, there is no well-defined nucleus, but chromatin material is present in the central layer. See here, this is chromatin material, or that is bacterial chromosome, present in the center but not bounded by any nuclear membrane. Nucleus is not well developed. Okay. And this chromatin material is in the form of single circle and is not enclosed in a nuclear membrane but is attached to the cell membrane at some point. The cytoplasm contains vacuole, granules, and very few cases can green pigment as well. Sometimes a slimy protective layer called this one is capsule. Okay, this one is a protective layer. This capsule thick hota hai and it is a very protective, and it is present outside the cell wall. Okay, see and flagella for the locomotion. This plasmid is an extra chromosomal genetic material. इस chromatin के अलावा भी एक होता है, that is called plasmid. Okay, it is called the extra chromosomal genetic material of this bacterial cell. Okay, now see next how it moves with the help of flagellum only. Okay. Now movement of this bacterial cell. Most bacteria cannot move about by their own effort, and they are only passively transported by wind, water, or contact. But some bacteria possesses one or more whip-like flagella. Okay, whip-like flagella, and which pierce through the cell wall and capsule. The lashing movements of the flagella provide active locomotion in a liquid environment. Okay, active locomotion in a liquid environment. Now next one, that is nutrition. Okay, nutrition. Most bacteria have no chlorophyll, therefore they depend upon the ready-made food from the different sources, or means they are heterotrophic. They are हेट्रोट्रॉफिक. ठीक है, हेट्रोट्रॉफिक नहीं, डिपेंड्स अपॉन अदर फॉर द फूड. इनमें क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता है तो ये ऑटोट्रॉफिक नहीं है. दे आर ऑल हेट्रोट्रॉफिक, एंड इन दिस कैटेगरी दे आर ऑफ टू टाइप. फर्स्ट इज saprophytic and the second one is parasitic. Saprophytic drawing nourishment from the dead and decaying organism, that is saprophytic. ठीक है, अपना फूड कहाँ से लेंगे? डेड एंड डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से लेंगे. एंड पैरासिटिक ड्रॉइंग नरिशमेंट फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ देयर लिविंग होस्ट. किसी होस्ट के ऊपर रहते हैं और उसी होस्ट से अपना न्यूट्रिशन लेंगे. तो न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑफ हेट्रोटाइप. बेसिकली इट इज ऑफ टू कैटेगरीज है, saprophytic एंड पैरासिटिक. यानी डिपेंड्स अपॉन द अदर फॉर द फूड. saprophytic में डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म से फूड लेंगे, and the second parasitic from the living organism. Now the bacteria secrete powerful enzyme from their cell in the surrounding food containing material. The enzymes make the food material soluble which is then absorbed as a solution into the bacterial cell. ठीक है, बैक्टीरिया में क्या होते हैं, बहुत सारे एंजाइम्स होते हैं जो फूड को डिसॉल्व कर देते हैं, सॉल्युबल बना देते हैं, फिर बैक्टीरियल सेल उसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है. ठीक है, न्यूट्रिशन इज लाइक दैट, देयर इज नो इंजेक्शन, माउथ नहीं है, माउथ के थ्रू नहीं जाएगा फूड, थ्रू बाय द एब्जॉर्प्शन ओनली. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, रेस्पिरेशन. Respiration. Now respiration, some bacteria respire by absorbing atmospheric oxygen, that is called aerobic respiration, and some without oxygen, that is called anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, the anaerobic bacteria are killed if exposed to air. Okay, anaerobic bacteria को हम kills कर सकते हैं when exposed to air. Okay, now next one, that is most important, that is reproduction in bacteria. Reproduction in bacteria. Okay, now first reproduction in bacteria is only asexual by means. Okay, basically कैसा होता है, asexual होता है by means of fission or cell division. Okay, fission or cell division or cell division, fission or cell division. Okay, now the cellular DNA duplicates, the cell expand and the two DNA are pulled apart. The cell constrict at the middle, separating the two cells depending on the type of bacteria. The two daughter cells may either remain attached or may separate from each other as independent cell. See, like this. This is bacterial cell. Okay, capsule, and here this one is bacterial chromosome. In next step, this bacterial chromosome duplicates. ठीक है, दो बन जाएंगे. This bacterial chromosome, this one is duplicates. Okay, and separates. This one is new copy and this one is original copy. Okay, this chromosome duplicate, copy of DNA, and this one is original. This one is copy DNA, and this one is original DNA. ठीक है, फिर सेल क्या हो जाएगी, नाउ ब्रेक्स, एंड एक सेल में हमारा होगा, दिस वन इज कॉपी डीएनए एंड दिस सेल कंटेन ओल्ड ओरिजिनल डीएनए. Okay, this type of replication occur in the this type of reproduction occur in the bacterial cell, like a fission or a cellular division, cell division type. Here a bacterial cell contains this bacterial chromosome, it duplicates, दो बन जाएंगे, now it separates, and this one is copy DNA and this one is original DNA, and here cell divides, okay, and form a separate cell. Reproduction in bacteria by fission is like this. Okay, highly reproductive primitive type of sexual reproduction occur. मतलब sexual reproduction भी होता है, but it is of very highly primitive type. Means has been found in very few bacteria and is extremely simple. In this method, two bacteria of different strain come together. The plasmid of the donor may be transferred to the recipient through the hollow tube-like extension of the donor. See here, sexual reproduction कैसे होता है? Sexual reproduction like this. See here, this one is one bacterial cell and this one is another. It contains a chromosome and this one is also contained. It contains a plasmid. इसमें नहीं है plasmid. जिनमें plasmid होता है तो now और इसमें क्या करेंगे, एक ट्यूब फॉर्म कर देते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड द कॉन्जुगेशन ट्यूब. दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉन्जुगेशन ट्यूब. ओके, एंड बाय दिस ट्यूब दिस वन इज रिमेन सेम, एंड ये जो प्लाज्मिड है ये डुप्लीकेट्स करेगा और इसकी एक कॉपी इधर चली जाएगी, एंड नाउ टू बैक्टीरियाज फॉर्म. ओके, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन दिस वेरी ऑफ प्रिमिटिव टाइप. यहाँ पे बेसिक फीचर क्या है, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस कॉन्जुगेशन ट्यूब है. ओके, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कॉन्जुगेशन ट्यूब. occur in this bacteria. Okay, primitive bacteria में होता था, not in modern form. Okay, spores to overcome the unfavorable condition. When unfavorable conditions set in, such as the drying up of vegetation, the bacterial cell draws its content into the spherical mass and becomes a surrounded a thick hard protective ball like structure. ठीक है, जब अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस आती हैं तो बैक्टीरिया का अंदर का जितना भी लिक्विड कंटेंट है उसको बाहर ड्रॉन ऑफ कर देता है. ओके, एंड नाउ थिक स्पोर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पोर्स. ठीक है, जब अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन आती है. लेकिन कंडीशन जैसे फिर से फेवरेबल होती हैं, नाउ इट बिकम्स okay, spores to overcome unfavorable condition, spore formation. Okay, spore formation. When unfavorable conditions set in, such as the drying up of vegetation, the bacterial cell draws its content into the spherical mass, which becomes surrounded by a thick and hard protective wall. This little rounded body is a spore which is contained within the original cell wall, but later becomes free when the cell wall ruptures. Such spores are usually the resulting stage which can be withstand unfavorable condition. Okay, spore can tolerate extreme dryness, ठीक है, स्पोर्स एक्सट्रीम ड्राइनेस टॉलरेट कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड, कैन नॉट बी किल्ड, and third one, tolerate poisonous chemical. Okay, tolerate poisonous chemical also. The spores can be carried far and wide by the various means such as water, wind or contact. On meeting favorable conditions, the spore germinate, their dominant protoplasm become active and streams out the ruptured wall in the form of the new bacterial cells. Okay.